Hello, Terry Thompson here, and I just want to make a quick tutorial on how to find keywords for YouTube videos. Alright, so let's say that you want to make a YouTube video. You already have a great title, you already have a pretty good description, but you're curious as to what keywords you want to use. Alright, so here's the process that I use to find keywords for any YouTube video. What I do is I go right here within the search. And let's say that I want to do a search for how to make money online. All right, so hit enter there and it brings up the top videos for that particular keyword of how to make money online. So what I want to do is I want to select either the top video or the top 1 to 5 videos and then conduct a search within those particular videos to find out what keywords they're using. All right, so let's say I select this top video right here, 3 easy ways to make money online in 2018, make $100 per day. So let's see what keywords this video right here uses. So I'm going to click on it. As with most videos that are on YouTube, it will play some type of an ad. So once this is ready, I will skip the ad. All right. So here's the video, 3 easy ways to make money online in 2018, make $100 per day. As you can see here, it already has a great title. Right here, it has a pretty good description, so it goes through quite a few things here, and these are keywords in and of itself as well too. So this is YouTube video SEO at its best right here. Great title, pretty good description. Now, as you can see here, there's no keywords. It doesn't tell you exactly what keywords this video is using. All right, so here's how I find keywords in any video. On this particular video, what I will do is I will hit right click on the screen. Right here, view page source. And this is what's going to show up. It's going to show a whole bunch of stuff that looks just like this right here. So the next step is to hit Control F. And right here, you want to type in keywords. So when I typed in keywords, as you can see right here within the middle of the screen, it shows keywords. All right, so here's all the keywords that this particular video uses right here. As you can see, it says how to make money online, make money as a teenager, 100 per day, Shopify tutorial, Bitcoin, make money with Bitcoin, and so forth. These are all of the keywords that are very relevant to this particular video. So whenever anybody types in the search particular keywords, it will find this video right here because of these particular keywords that this video uses. All right, now you can actually do that on any video. So let's say, for example, I go back and I click on the second video. All right, so within the second video, this is the number 2 video within that keyword search. All right, once again, how to make money online, 16 methods to earn passive income and get paid from home. All right, great title. Right here within the description, all right, it has a fairly okay description right here. It has some links to some websites and everything right here. Once again, no keywords. So what keywords does this video use? All right, so repeat the process. Right click on the screen right here. View page source. As you will see, a whole bunch of weird looking stuff is going to show up on the screen here in a moment. Like that right there. Hit Control F. Type in keywords. As you can see right here, keywords. So this tells all of the keywords that this particular video uses right here. How to make money online, how to make money, how to make passive income. Okay, so it has some similarities, but it also has some differences as well too. Passive income online, make money online, how to make money from home, work from home, earn money from home. These are all great particular keywords for this video right here. So anybody conducting a search within YouTube that are looking for these particular keywords right here, this video is likely to show up. All right, so now that we found out how to locate keywords within any video, all you got to do is copy and paste these particular keywords anywhere that you want, and then you can use the best keywords within your videos. So come up with a great title, come up with a good description, come up with popular keywords that other videos with lots of views and popularity is already using, and use those keywords within your relevant topic. Okay. Now, just a quick note, you cannot just put 100 keywords within your video. You can't use 1,000. You're only limited to so many. All right. Now, a lot of people seem to think that you should only use 1 to 5 keywords, and that's great. Some people think you should use 20 to 30 keywords, and that's great as well too. But keep in mind that you're not limited by the amount of keywords. You're limited by the amount of characters. So you're limited to only 500 characters, which means that you might not necessarily be able to use 10, 15, 20, or 30 keywords. You might only be able to use 1 to 5 keywords because it takes up 500 characters. All right, so good luck to you. I hope that you can make great titles, great description, and even better keywords within your videos. Hopefully this tutorial was very helpful to you. If you believe so, please like or comment and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and that way you can stay up to date with things that I will be doing here in the future.